Hey everybody, this is a bit of feedback for your floating coin experiment. Um, Thank you to everybody who submitted. If you didn't submit one, uh, it's very late. So, get on that now because I've just left it as missing in Power School. But for everybody that did submit, thank you very much. I had such a good variety of people's versions of this experiment, which was cool to see. Misha used foil because he didn't have any coins. Some people went straight to the pepper version of it with soap. Um, some people had good visuals with a big bowl, like Leo's here. Some people tried a bunch of different coins and it didn't work, which was great to see you experimenting. Um, Jalal had like 5 different videos explaining loads of different stuff and trying all sorts of objects, which was really, really awesome. Ben's always the first one to post, so he has the most views and he had a really good explanation. Alejandro actually got a coin to float, which was awesome. Um, yeah, and everybody for the most part has responded to each other, which is great to bring some connection between you guys, even though you're really far apart. So I think it was really, really well done. The one thing that people need to keep working on is explaining. A lot of people are just skimming over an explanation. They maybe haven't done enough research, but your explanation needs to be really, really as best as you can get it. Okay, don't take any shortcuts with the explanation. Try and do some research and explain really, really clearly. Okay. Remember, surface tension is this film that forms on the top of water because the attraction between the water molecules is so strong. And even if you had a heavy coin and you put it on top of the water, you'd see it kind of bubble down a little bit before it broke the surface tension and then just sunk right to the bottom. So you can see surface tension in action, even if it doesn't float. But by floating a few objects, it was kind of a cool way to see it happen. The other one I forgot to mention you can do is get a sewing needle, and a sewing needle will float on top of water, which is pretty fascinating to see, similar to the paperclip. Okay, so for this week, remember to work on your explanation, do a bit more extra research, and be very, very clear when you explain because I'm checking to see how well you can explain it. Okay? Thanks, guys, for your time and good job with the videos. I really love seeing everybody's experiments and hearing your comments and things like that. Thanks.